Hello and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to install apps from unknown sources on Chromecast.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Let's get started. So if you have your Chromecast set up and you're on your dashboard, follow me step by step. So we're going to do two steps. The first step is that we're going to ensure unknown sources are activated. So we'll make sure we turn on developers option so that we can download and install apps from unknown sources and download and install unknown apps. The second step is that we're going to head over to a browser where we're going to download and install a third-party APK file, and that will be done in this case using the downloader application. Step 1, let's head over to quick settings and then we'll move over to all settings. From all settings, just navigate down to system and you find about. So click on about and then go down to build number. So when you find Android TV OS build, you're going to click on this 7 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And on the 7th time, you find a message saying you are now a developer. This enables you to install unknown apps and install apps from unknown sources. Head back over to your dashboard and navigate to the downloader application. So if you found the downloader app right here, just click on it once and that will launch the application. I'm going to use an example for this video and it's going to be the Facebook application. So I'll just head over to this top bar and you want to search Facebook APK. This can be done with any browser. So it must not be the downloader application. So a browser of choice, a good browser for TV or for Chromecast is going to work well. So Facebook APK, I've typed that and I'm going to click on search. Now, give it this a moment to search. You bring up a number of links rather. So on that list of links, I'm going to select this one from facebook.com. So this will give me the APK file and I'll be happy to show you how to install that on Chromecast. So that's the download button. Click on it once and here downloader takes over the app and it begins to download the application. So as you can see, we're done with the download and now the installation process is starting. So the app is staging and at this point you can see a message saying allow unknown sources or allow installation of unknown apps. All you need to do is head over on that list, go down and then go ahead and turn on the browser of choice. So you see the downloader application, for instance, in this case, we use download to download the APK. So turn that toggle on. Alternatively, it could be any browser you used. So turn on that browser that you have used from the list that pops up. And then you're going to hop over to installing the app. So when you've turned it on, you see the app can install successfully. And right here, you see in my specific case, I've run out of storage. So I could just free up some storage and get that app installed. So you could reclaim storage by uninstalling applications. You could also reclaim storage by uninstalling some unused apps or deleting content that you have on your device. So each time you do this, this is a very good scenario that you may find yourself in. And I like that this is happening so that I could show you. So in that case, you saw what happened. We saw that we had to leave and actually go and delete files. So when you come back here, you're going to come to this file section on the sandwich bar and just click on the app again. So that's the facebook.katana APK. So just click on it. That's a download package file. Click on download package file again and install it. and you see the app installing. Just gives a couple of seconds to install, and now you see the app is installed. You can click on open to launch it. And that's it for this video. So if you found that insightful, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with content just like this.